English Vocabulary Quiz. Part 1. Designed for A2 learners. This vocabulary quiz consists of 30 questions which will assess your competence in using the most appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. The weather is awful today. Shall we stay home and take this vocabulary test? Great idea. Let's see who scores higher. Every year, many tourists travel to India to visit its famous places. He put the pot on the stove to warm it up. They live 5 kilometers away from the train station. He must have a license to drive a car. She was lucky because she had a happy childhood. Mothers are very hardworking. They are always busy. If we don't hurry, we will be late. How long does it take if you go by train? The jeans are on sale. There is about 20% discount. Our manager always wears a suit and tie, very official. He had an accident because the weather was foggy. As soon as I arrived home, I immediately called her. Do you have her address? No, could you text it? Did you return the books to the library? The child was upset because his toy was broken. Can you give me directions to the nearest bus stop? She made a lot of spelling mistakes in her essay. Your train leaves from platform 5. Unfortunately, I cannot decide to study or work. Mom, where is my science textbook? I'm getting late for school. Angela is exercising hard. She will take part in the running competition. The new restaurant has a safe playing area for children. Can I borrow your bike for an hour? Please fill in your name, age, and occupation for membership. The smell outside the shoe factory is horrible. Oh, by the way, my name's Lucy. The kitten is too weak to climb this tree. The children are really excited about winter holidays. The train crosses the border between two countries. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. We will upload more vocabulary quizzes for other levels soon, so subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. See you in our upcoming videos.